Hi everyone, keyway here. Today I'm just doing a stock lock Sunday video. I've got this PAPAIZ. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, sorry. It's a Brazilian lock, 45mm. Someone's painted it green, and it's just got this beautiful patina on it now, which I'm going to leave. I'm not going to polish it up or anything. Just love the way that looks with the green and that. So I've got more green on this side. It's a CR45, and I have been trying to pick this. This is the key here. This is the bitting. So you can see it's a 5-pinner. Bitting's not too bad. It's the original key. Yeah, made in Brazil. PAPAIZ. Maybe better on that side. Yep. So yes, for Stock Lock Sunday, it's Australia Day in Australia today, so happy Australia Day to all the Aussies out there. Awesome, man. Public holiday tomorrow, but I'm working tomorrow, so that's just my luck. Works perfectly, as you can see. It can be shimmed, obviously. It doesn't have the ball bearings in it or anything like that. I don't know how all these locks are or anything like that. I've seen them on eBay though, a little bit different. I'm not sure if they're the new version of these or not, but yeah, I did start picking this, and I was getting these crazy false sets, and I couldn't understand why. And I went on YouTube and discovered they had spools and or mushroom pins in them as drivers. So I was like, wow, cool. So that would explain the false sets and everything I was getting. Another thing is, when I bought these locks, I got them off Gumtree. I got these pretty cheap, and they were just dusty as, gunky as, and yeah, they're very hard to pick. All the feedback is really dampened, and I have to clean these out. So I'm just gonna get some like metho in a spray bottle and just spray it in the keyway, and just maybe just give it a rake or put the key in and just work it a few times to get all the gunk out. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to zoom in and try to give it a pick. Alrighty then. So I'm just going to use top of the keyway because it does require some manual counter rotation, and look at that slop in the core. So you can immediately see that it's got some spools in there. So yeah, top of the keyway, I'm just going to use a B-shoe from the bottom. And yeah, just touch one in a false set. Doesn't make any clicks or anything. You really got to go by feel with this lock. It's just really gunked up. Yeah, just got to make sure one is set properly. This number one is a very, very high lift pin, and I think he's set properly now. Just waiting for the key pin to drop down. There he goes, but I don't think I've set it now. Okay. The tension is going away as well. I think it's set now though. Come on, key pin. Very sticky key pins. That's a start. Okay, well, okay, that's part of it. Okay, I reckon that's set now. Yep. Alright, so 2. So I've got to give manual. It's going to be very slow. You've got to feel the pin slide up and then quickly put tension back on it. Looks like one's popped out, so okay. Hoping one is properly set, because anyway, we'll just keep going. There's 2 again. Okay, so I'm pretty deep false set now, as you can see, which baffled me for a long time. I could not figure out why I was getting such a big false set on these. They are tricky little locks actually. 3, 4, just touched 5 and a deeper false set now. These are cool locks actually, I like these locks. They're really cool to pick. I'm just going to check the stack. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5 does feel low. I'm just going to get onto 5 and he's going to give me a counter, I think. Yep, and we got an open. Cool. Oh, nice lock. That is open. Just yeah, there we go. Nice open there. So that was the PAPAIZ or PAPAIZ. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. But yeah, really cool locks. I did not expect these to have spools or mushroom pins in them, but just great locks. Anyway, yeah, that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.